Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Cargo Rack on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. This will be the same install process for the 2 and the 4-seaters, and what you're getting with the cargo rack is additional storage space at the back of your machine. So with this, you can put your cooler on top and all your camping gear underneath, and you've got up to 9 inches of vertical adjustability. So it's pretty versatile to accommodate whatever you're bringing with you, and it does come with the cooler ratchet tie-down straps. So awesome features and benefits with this. It's really simple to install. It's only going to take a few minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. So right here we have all of our hardware laid out. We've got our clamps, the cooler ratchet straps, and the side mounts. And of course, we have the cargo rack itself. Now, with this, look through the provided set of instructions, make sure that everything is there, and get familiar with the install process before you begin. Now, if you don't have one of these kits yet, you can find them on our website or just click the link in the description below. To get this done, we have 13mm deep and shallow sockets. I've got a 13mm combo wrench, 5mm T-Allen, safety glasses, and a measuring tape. Now over at the machine, we're next to the cargo bed, and we need to install these low profile clamps onto the roll cage. First thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna remove this bolt going through it. There's a spacer in between, you can take that out. And then on this bolt, there's a serrated washer. You can discard that. And then for the clamp, just so I don't scratch the roll cage, you can use your supplied bag that the clamp came in. Just press this onto the roll cage, then remove that bag. And you just want to do that for both clamps on each side. Now for the left and right side brackets, they are side specific. So you can see this triangle section right here, that's going to be facing up and towards the front of the machine. So this one in my right hand, that is the right side bracket. Now to get this installed, we've got our clamps, and I can spin these clamps however I want. I could raise this up a little bit or leave it down. You also have about 9 inches of adjustability up and down once everything's assembled. But with that said, I'm going to take the bolt that came with the clamp. I'm going to come in from the outside of the clamp, and then we have this spacer right here. It has the foam tape on it. We're going to go through that spacer, through the clamp, and then we're going to set the side bracket on. And we've got these M8 nylock nuts. We're going to thread those on. We're going to leave them loose for adjustability, and then I'll do those same steps for the remaining clamps. The next step is to get these clamps roughly where you want them. We're going to tighten it down to where the clamp is pretty level, and I'm just tightening the lower clamp at this point. So for a starting point, just to get a feel for everything, I'm going to go 1 foot up from the corner of my roll cage to the bottom of this clamp. Just make that platform pretty level, and we'll do that same thing on the other side. Now that we're leveled up, I'm going to snug up these top clamps as well, because when we set the cargo rack in place, it does have a little bit of weight, so you want that extra support. As you set this in place, adjust it to the spot where the mounting slots in the rack line up with the holes in the mounts. Then we'll take a look at the overall adjustment. So from here, this is looking really good. We have plenty of room to reach our items in the cargo bed, and we've got plenty of room on top as well. So I've lined up this rack and I'm ready to install the hardware. So we're going to take the M8 by 20mm button head bolt. We've got the M8 washer. We're going to go through the cargo rack, through the mount, and then we've got the nylock nut on the back side. And we'll do that same thing in the remaining 3 mounting locations. So with these 4 bolts loosely installed, you still have a little bit of adjustability, so just make sure everything is squared up. And I'm going to use the 5mm Allen and 13mm deep socket to tighten the hardware down. From here, I'm going to do a final tighten on the roll cage clamps, and then we're good to go. So that's how you install the Tusk Cargo Rack on your Polaris RZR XP 1000. Again, this is for the 2024 and newer models. If you have any questions, Leave those down in the comments, and if you need to pick one of these up, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.